Back to normal.
Yeah,
right?
I tell you, it's easy going over in the Weather Center tonight. So
that's good, because it was howling overnight. I mean, you were talking about those winds.
Yeah, it really was. Lots of wind damage across northeast Ohio. I counted over 25 wind damage reports coming in from siding ripped off, sides of houses, numerous trees down. And this was area wide as we were expecting. Here's some of the top gusts. Akron-Canton Airport checking in 60-mile-per-hour wind last night. Fairport over Lake County, 57. Ashtabula County, both Geneva on the Lake and Ashtabula checking in with the 50s, and Burke Lakefront right out our back stoop here, 51-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Much calmer, as Lena said. We've got high pressure that briefly built in. We're on the back side of it now, so we're going to develop a warming wind here over the next 24 hours. Notice temperatures, yeah, they came down very quickly this morning out the door, sharply different than going to bed. We were in the 30s very quickly. Notice hanging on to 40 down there in Dover, New Philly right now. We're all going to drop a couple more degrees, and then we're actually going to go up with the temps tonight as we're on the backside of that high pressure. So look at temperatures. We're in the 30s, back up into the mid 30s, even upper 30s by daybreak. A pretty quiet start to your work week. The clouds will stick around, so kind of that gloomy feel out there. But we've got a fairly quiet start to the week, and then it gets active once again later this week with a system to watch. So we'll kind of give you the big picture of what's going on. There's our system already out in Newfoundland, heading off in the Atlantic right now. But the temperatures that it's left behind are anywhere from 15 to 35 degrees colder than they were 24 hours ago from Ohio to PA to New York. But off to the west, we've got a warming trend, and that is going to happen quickly as we've got temperatures that are already 10 to 25 degrees warmer than 24 hours ago in the plains. This warmth is going to spread in here not just tonight, but on over the next couple of days. So a couple systems to watch this week. We've got the clouds now. A few systems are going to have this look to it. We're going to have an area of moisture that goes off to the north, a little bit of moisture down to the south. We're going to be somewhere in between, so we may see a sprinkle throughout the week, but overall it doesn't look like a lot of precipitation, as most of the energy with these kind of disorganized storms will stay off to the north. And then we have another system off to the west. That will do more of the same later this week. So we're looking all the way ahead here, all the way over towards Hawaii. There's going to be two areas of energy that converge across the Plain States, and that will form our Friday, Saturday, Sunday weather system. It looks to be a little bit more of a big deal around here. So clouds hanging out tomorrow morning. We're near 40 degrees at daybreak, maybe a sprinkle or two. Pretty cloudy afternoon, but temperatures are going to rebound back nicely. Should be in the 40s by afternoon. And then as we head on into Tuesday, as we look at kind of the big picture, we get a little system that zips by. I do think we squeak out sunshine with warmer temperatures on Tuesday. We should make it well into the 50s. Perhaps a rainfall chance on Wednesday. We get a little bit colder. Here comes the weekend weather system. Area low pressure will head right through the Ohio Valley. May start as some snow Friday night, changing over to wintry mix, and then rain Saturday. Another washout potential on Saturday. This is still way in the future, so it may change. But then all indications are that we finally get cold and snow. I know a lot of you want it, a lot of you don't, but it looks like we finally flip that switch next weekend and we stay there for a while. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecasts in the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. There's your slight chance of rain, snow Thursday, and then next weekend we warm up. Out ahead of the big cool down, it looks to bring some accumulating snow perhaps late next week. We'll be back.